Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CODELINE. So today we are going to start with C programming language, which is very basic language. So let's start with a basic information that you should know. So what is programming language? A programming language is a type of formal language where instruction performs some operation give you the output. You can have a look to the definition. A programming language is a formal language comprising a set of instruction that produce some kind of output. So let us see what is program now. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer to perform a task. It means you write an instruction in a form of code that computer reads and do some operation and give you the output required. In this, let's see the example. Like sum is equals to a plus b. It means the variable sum is dependent on the value of a plus b. So whatever value comes from a plus b will be assigned to sum. In second example, printf hello. In this instruction, you are asking the computer to print hello on the output screen of a user. In this way, you write the instruction and computer perform the task. Algorithm. Algorithm is a sequence of steps that gives a method of solving a problem. Algorithm is usually written before writing a program code, which tells what the steps you are going to do in a program. So let us see this algorithm of addition of two numbers. So let us start. Step 1, start. Step 2, declare a variable num1, num2 and sum. Step 3, read values num1 and num2. Step 4, add num1 and num2 and assign the result to the sum. Step 5, display sum, and then step 6, stop. After reading this algorithm, we can say that we need to declare variable num1, num2 and sum. Then we need to take the input values in num1 and num2 and perform addition and then assign the value to the sum variable. Then we need to display a sum variable, then program ends. So in this way we write the algorithm of any program. Now let us see programming language classification. There are various types of languages that you will study, and each language has some advantages as well as disadvantages. So programming language is basically classified into two categories, that is low level language and high level language. Low level language. Low level language is divided into two languages, that is machine language and assembly language. Machine language. It is in binary form 0 and 1 and computer can understand only digital signal that are in binary digits 0 and 1. So the instructions are given in binary codes. Therefore, we can say that machine language are in binary. And computer can understand only machine language. The most important thing that you should know is machine language are not portable. That is, program written for one computer are not valid for other computer, and these languages are quite difficult for a programmer as they cannot write the instruction in binary, and its maintenance is very difficult as well as it is error prone. So machine level language is quite difficult for user as well as for programmer. Now let us see assembly language. Assembly language is a modified form of a machine language. In this, instructions are given English like words such as move, add, subtract. In assembly language, the data is stored in a computer register. So, assembly language are also not portable because data is stored in a computer register and each computer has different set of register. So, these in this way we can say that assembly language are not portable. For translating a assembly language to machine language, a translator is used, which is known as assembler. The translation is done because computer can understood only machine level language or machine language. High level language. High level language were designed in keeping mind the idea of machine independent language. Here also instructions are given in English like words. Here for translating a high level language into machine level language, an interpreter or compiler is used. Some example of high level language are basic, COBOL, and etc. Now let us see what is translator. For converting a code of one language to other language, a translator is used. Translator are just computer program which accept the program written in one language, or we can say a low level or high level language, and convert to it a machine level language. There are three types of translator you will going to see in this lecture. That is assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assembler are just a translator which accept the program written in low level language, that is assembly language, and convert into machine level language or machine language. Where compiler interpreter are also just translator which accept the program written in high level language and translate into a machine level language or machine language. There is a small note that interpreter and compiler perform the same task, but there is a difference in their working. In compiler, a compiler will search all the errors of the program and list them. If the program is error free, it will convert that code into machine code and the program can be executed by separate command. Where interpreter checks the error of the program statement by statement, means line by line, and convert that line into machine code, then execute that code, and this process continue till the last statement is converted. So this is the difference in a compiler interpreter working. Now we are going to see the history of C language and this feature. The C language was found by Dennis Ritchie in year 1972 at Bell Laboratories. Initially, it was used in a Unix operating system. After the success of Unix operating system, the whole Unix operating system, the tools supplied, including C compiler, were written in C language. C language is adopted from a B language, which was written by Ken Thompson, where B language was adopted from BCPL, which is known as Basic Combined Programming Language. In 1989, a committee was formed by ANSI to standardize the C language. So in 1899, the standard of C language was introduced, which was known as ANSI. The features of C language is that it is a middle level language as well as high level language. It is because, according to some books, it is middle level language, and according to latest version, now it is considered as high level language. So it depends upon your book as well as your teachers what they say. But you can write both, that is middle level language or it is a high level language. In C, you will see 32 keywords, and the biggest achievement or the good feature in C is that the program written in C language are portable. That is, the program written for one computer are valid for other computer also. So this was a history and of C language and features. Thank you.